Hi, the solution recommended here is not correct. You don't need any library for that purpose. We are already doing for host, like if the host already exists, we are displaying the message. If you are a host of a room and you open the room in another tab, you will see this message. So you can just copy paste it, host already exists, and you can just copy paste it like user already exists here. Uh, User already exists, you can call it. And you can change the message here like that, and you can change the message to user, and you will have to define that message in the database. Now you can search this for in server side. This is the socket that is emitting the message. Here this code is checking if this is the host, but here you can define another statement like if this user ID or device ID currently exists in the room members, there is the room member variable that is storing all the room member information. So if there is any other member with the same device ID, then you can display the message. Maybe we can do it like how WhatsApp does. Like here I have WhatsApp open in one tab, and if I try to open it in other tab, it will display me a message like, do you want to switch to this tab, or and if I click yes, then it will close the other tab. So if you see here, it's displaying the message like that. So we can maybe do it like that. If there is already one tab and user is joining trying to join from a new tab, then we can disconnect them from the previously existing tab. You can use the stream ID variable that is like unique to every tab. Like if the person is opening 2 or 3 tabs, in each tab they will have a unique stream ID. So you can pick the if there are like someone is opening another tab, you can pick the stream ID for previous tab, like whatever that is existing in the room user room members array. You can pick that, and you can send a message to that stream ID to remove the user from the room. Like here, this is the function. You can use this. You can send a socket message to this, and this will dismiss the user from the tab. Okay, let's say if here you are able to detect that is this is the duplicate device ID coming in this variable, you can search for it. If it is duplicate ID, then you can just send the socket message to the whatever stream ID you can get from the room members array. I will give an example of that. Like suppose you found that someone is duplicate, and then you can do it like that. Dismiss user, change it type to dismiss user, and socket ID to that will be whatever the user is, and then you can get their stream ID from that and use that. So this will remove them from the other tab.